Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Just went through the trail system with the tractor, put the tines down, ripped some stuff up, graded out a little bit, and try to get rid of some of the sticks and debris. So we're gonna go ahead and tear through with the Triumph TF250-E, see how they're doing today. Tree. All right, that way. Well, there's some more trail time on the Triumph 250E. I don't know, it's a fun enduro bike. Am I the best enduro rider in the world? No. Am I having fun in my woods? Yes. Definitely a lot of stuff to practice on here. A ton of hills that probably don't come in You know, they're not coming through the camera as steep as they actually are, but you know, there was a lot of that was 45-degree angle slopes, you know, give or take, sometimes a little bit steeper than that, plus all the extra terrain and trees. I got to clear some more paths for a better single track. Definitely be leaving some obstacles, or at least some lines that retain obstacles, but stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. There'll be more content coming on the Triumph 250E. I'll be having fun here. I'll be having fun other places. It's just a good time. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Ride safe. Roam more.